What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and this is episode 4 of the Tailgate Alaska Festival series, so let's get into it. Welcome to Truckhouse Lab, baby. Well, boys and girls, tonight we're having a deep dish pizza. That's right. Throw it in, throw it in, throw it in. Right. Today was an incredible day up in the glaciers, and I can't wait to do it again. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of weather rolling in. I'm just going to stay here and stick it out, but we might be kind of locked down in camp while the storm passes through the pass we're in right now. So, that's the plan, we'll see. So I believe tonight on the agenda is the big party. There's a 40-foot tall dome across the street, and I've got a friend that's DJing over there. Pretty wild, wasn't expecting that. So that's going on tonight. I'm probably gonna throw a little shindig here with the sound system and flamethrower and fire pit and all that stuff. A little music, and I don't know, it'd be fun just to hang out with people and make the best of the down day. All right, it's nighttime. Got the system going. Fire flamethrower's not going tonight. It's a little too windy out there, but that's what's going on. Gonna start the night. Dustin thought he was gonna relax, and then the generator died.
I know, dude. I just want to crack another beer.
If any of you guys want to buy a vacation for Dustin to go to Hawaii or send him to the beach, please do. You can use it. Let's send Dustin to Hawaii right after this.
Oh yeah.
You know? Send all you guys.
No?
Yeah, it's good fuel.
It just died? It just died. Well, this.
There she goes.
Yeah, it was on off.
Yep.
Ah, so we just had to God.
Yeah. Nice. What's going on, guys?
Felt the heat from that on my face.
Good. I mean, I gotta hit snow.
Good morning, everybody. It is day 3 of Tailgate. There's a little bit of bad weather coming in, so today is going to be the last day to ride for a little bit. So we're going to go take advantage of it, get the day started here. So we got Randy cooking me a burrito right across the street at the Hungry Deckhand. Delicious. And we're going to go get the sled ready. Oh, it is a beautiful day out, but there is weather moving in, so I'm gonna probably put the sound system away tonight so it doesn't get all crazy. Parking lot's filling out too, getting crowded. There's the old mobile gas station here, check us out. Well, shout out to Max for helping me install the mobile gas tank. It's pretty nice. That burrito is so freaking good. You probably can't tell, but it really is. So the plan is we're gonna go towards the glaciers today. I'm gonna bring 2 new people with us that haven't been up there yet. So we'll show them the ropes. Hopefully not literally, but that's our plan. Man, I tell you what, it is nice having a camper to stay in the cold at Tailgate. It's a little bit crowded in here. I got like boots and stuff like that drying out, but pretty cozy. Got the diesel heater going. It's like a nice cozy 66 degrees in here. Not bad. All right, we're all packed up. Got the harness on, ready for the glacier. Headlamp just in case, some safety gear. Let's go.
Gonna get back over here. We should be almost out of the skate park we're in.
Perfect. Yeah, I got all spooked because I was like, I don't know.
Can't quite see the wall. Oh, I thought you had it that time.
Yeah.
You're right.
I thought I'd hold on, but I
That looked rowdy.
Spider-Man.
Hey, third time's a charm. Sweet.
Pictures do not do this place justice.
Nope. Some say he's gonna be here. It's crazy.
Wow.
Super cool. Yeah, it's like kind of untouched. Surprised. It's nuts. This stuff's usually like all gone. I feel like every tailgate.
Yeah?
Yeah.
People are slacking.
Yeah.
Yep. Freaking cool. Yeah, all these flakes are like, these are pretty fun warm-up flakes, and there's stuff on the other side. I think you can sled lap all of these, like up that bench over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and go around the back, and then you can just
What?
do sled laps in those. Yeah. Get it, get it, get it! Nice. Just a wall up there. Just a wall. So we're trying to get a highway put in up here. That way we can ride across and then snowboard down all those flanks up there. It's kind of the concept. It is a little bit steep. The usual for this glacier, you're gonna go like all the way around to the backside to get up. It's pretty steep.
Yeah, it's a deceiving little hill.
Yep. I don't know if we'll be able to chew up that thing. Coming in hot. That's a valid attempt. Probably get yourself up it eventually.
Yeah. Two up. Nah.
Yeah, usually you have to go like down and around to hit it, but snow's super good though.
Super good,
You know?
yeah.
We can just get up there. Hey, you want to try poking back there and see, I guess?
Yeah.
Check out that we're walking up something. See, that one was a drag a while back. little corner south this year. Yeah, it is. Like it's just barely getting around. It would be way back in here.
It's so deep.
Yeah, it's super deep. It's like freaking 3 feet of POW. I don't even think it get, I'm barely getting across the flat.
I know.
I say usually you can get up there and you kind of like hike around the back, then you can do some stuff down that, but I was expecting that. Need to get a picture of the hood deep, son. All right. Sweet.
Party lap action.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Back to ground.
Well,
Yeah.
good to know it's flat over here too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like I knew it was blowing air just to know what time. That's probably a good call.
It was good.
I don't think it's gonna get any better. I don't know. Might have been easier to come out in the like night with headlights or something, you know,
Honestly.
at some point.
Yeah, dropping down goalie 3, I was like,
They just couldn't even
blind.
see.
Yeah.
It's like everything goes in the fall line, so it's like, you know, you're probably all right.
I was just trying to follow the red the whole way out. I was like,
Oh, yeah.
if I don't get too close to him, something happens, because I'm just gonna plow through.
Oh man. Well, it was fun, guys.
That was
Yeah,
a lot
no,
of
it
fun.
was great.
So we got out there and did something.
Yeah, we did get some turns.
That's right. There's some turns involved. You guys tried really hard to get another set of them.
we tried.
Not really deep POW.
We did. Oh, that was such good pow.
You guys both were able to like jump off, or did it just roll on you? Like, when
I
it-
jumped off. I told Rick to hit the brake.
Oh, I couldn't hear you.
But
I
it
was like, what?
What?
But I think it was too steep, so she just kind of went off the side too. So
Yep.
we're clear.
It's soft enough to where you could probably have like a sled that literally roll you over and you'd be fine.
I know, right?
I'm just gonna go get out of my boots and
Party night.
eat some mac and cheese, get ready for the party.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting us come with you.
Yeah, man, it's all day. We'll do it again.
Yeah. What was it?
How you going? It's pretty good until the milk came in.
Was that?
It was good until the weather rolled in.
Yeah, it came in a while ago. though.
Full
You guys
on
were
like,
up there.
oh yeah, no, it's good until like, you know, maybe an hour ago or something.
Oh, really?
Just gnarly climb out. Has it been like this in the front side one time or not?
It just got like bad like this
Yeah.
about an hour ago. I know where the
Oh, what'd you guys do?
front
side laps?
one a couple times.
Probably
We went
still
to-
good.
We went
It
to
was really
3,
good, yeah.
but it was
First
like
tracks on that.
Great.
All right, we're back. Back at the pad. Well, y'all, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of my content. And we'll do it again soon, I hope. Peace, y'all.